Using Geometry Sketchpad, we're going to create a graph. First, we're going to refer back to our table of values. Here's our table of values. We're going to input each one of these points. We're going to plot the points. So our first point to plot is -3, 0. To plot points in Geometry Sketchpad, you hit on Graph, then click Plot Points. Our first one, remember, is -3, 0. -3, 0. This is our x value, this is our y value. We're going to plot the point. And here it is. It's on the x-axis at -3, 0, where y is equal to 0. Our next point we'll plot, -2, -5. -2, -5. And we'll plot it. And there's our second point. Let's continue on. Our next point is -1, -8. -1, -8. There it is. It's at -1 and -8. X is equal to -1, y equals -8. Our next point, 0, -9. 0, -9. We'll plot it. And there it is. Our next point, 1, -8. X is equal to 1, y is equal to -8. And we'll plot it. There it is. Notice that it's starting to go back up. It's creating the parabola shape that we're used to seeing for quadratic expressions or quadratic relationships. Let's go back. Our next one is 2, -5. 2, -5. There it is. Notice it's making the upside down U shape. And we'll do our next one. 3, 0. And we'll plot it. And there you it is. Next, what we'll do is we're going to graph this function. We'll input the function by clicking on Graph and New Function. We'll input the function. Remember, the function is here. Y equals x squared minus 9. Y equals, or f of x equals, f of x is the same thing as saying y. It's just another way of writing it. So we'll put in what y is equal to. It's equal to x to the power of 2, or x squared, minus 9. We'll hit OK. Now what we have to do is plot the function. And this will give us a sketch of what the graph looks like. And there you have it. Notice the points from our table of values are found directly on the line of this graph. Also notice where the apex or vertex of this graph is. It's located where it crosses the y-axis. It crosses the y-axis, or the y-intercept, is at -9. So at 0, -9. This is our vertex.